Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's make a festive backdrop. Draw Ganesh outline on thin cardboard. Cut it, paint the cutout in yellow color so that when we stick yellow color paper on the top, there is no white space visible. Now start sticking the yellow color fringe paper onto the Ganesh cutout. Trim the fringes if you feel they are lengthy. Here I am adding yellow and pink color cloths to the backdrop stand. Place the flower bunch using a help of pin. To add Ganesh cutout onto the backdrop, place two-sided tape on the back side of the Ganesh cutout and carefully stick it onto the backdrop. Adding a garland string on the either sides of the Ganesh. Stick the garland using multiple layers of tape. After arranging everything in place, increase the height of the backdrop stand into the desired length. Our festive backdrop is ready.